Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. So Bitcoin has had a dip, another dip. Now it's at $44,371.56. But do we care? Do we care whether there's a dip? Do we care what the price of Bitcoin is right now? Are we emotionally attached to that? Not really. And the reason why we're not emotionally attached to the price of Bitcoin is because we're in it very, very long term. And also, we are earning Bitcoin, okay? We are earning Bitcoin with our Bitcoin business, okay? If you don't have a Bitcoin business, you need to grab one so that you can start to earn. If you have an online business already and it's earning you in dollars or euros or pounds or whatever, you need a Bitcoin business that can pay you in Bitcoin, okay? Now, my Bitcoin business has been paying me since September 2017. And it hasn't stopped paying me since then. That's why I've been able to invest into other things. Okay. So many people ask, "Oh, how are you able to put in? How are you able to put in this?" Let me go in here. Just log in. How am I able to put in money into staking my Ethereum? How am I able to put in this amount, 6 Ethereum? Into Lido to stake and make 5% a year? How am I able to make that? How am I able to stake Cardano with Yoroi? How am I able to stake and earn a yield off of my staked Cardano? I've got 2,748 Cardano here. How am I able to do this? How am I able to have put some cash into PancakeSwap and start earning 83.2%? How am I able to make all of that crypto and also have a portfolio? How am I able to do that and have a portfolio and store Bitcoin on my hardware wallet? How am I able to do all of those? All of those things I'm able to do because I have a business. If you don't have a business, you're not going to earn any crypto. You're not going to earn any money. Many people have day jobs. Some people don't have day jobs. Some people they've come into some investments, or maybe they've already got an online business. If you don't have an online business that's paying you in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in general, and I don't just mean any get rich quick scheme, I mean a real business with real business coaching that you can share and earn real businesses, okay? Because people out there think that online means free money when it doesn't. Online means work. If you are looking for a real business, just like if you were to go and get a Subway or a franchise out there, a Subway, a Pizza Hut, a McDonald's, any franchise. Yeah, so you bought a franchise, you're gonna have to run that franchise. Okay, so if you buy a franchise, you have to run it. You have to run the electricity, the stock, everything like that. You have to get the employees, pay them, and all of that stuff. Okay, which takes a lot of resources. Not everybody is cut out for brick and mortar business. Not everybody's cut out for business out there. But we have an automated system, okay, where all of the sales are done, are processed for you. You get all the marketing tools inside. You don't have to pay for rent or for the premises. You don't have to pay for electricity. All you need to have is an internet connection, okay? And you can get this business in a box, and all you got to do is share it with people. Just the same way that you would promote your own business is how you promote this. Because when you buy this franchise, you have a business, and you can earn Bitcoin with this business. You can earn actual Bitcoin and Tron with this business. Okay. Now, you need a business so that you can plug into all of the other things that I'm doing, okay? Because if you don't have income, you can't do anything. You can't do anything. If you want to make $1 million, you can't make $1 million from nothing. You have to have a business. That's just how it goes. Or if you manage to get money from somewhere, but if you see all these things that are popping up on the top left, they're people who are taking action and buying this business and earning in this business and learning. Because this isn't just a business where you just sit down and do nothing. Okay, you can learn because we have coaching here. Okay, coaching products, business coaching products. you know, where you can learn about marketing, learn about high ticket sales. You can learn about business coaching. You can even learn forex trading here, okay? Because there's that coaching is inside. There's over 500 plus videos inside here. This is a training suite that you can share with people from beginner level to advanced levels, to people in the education field, to professionals, anybody who wants to make money online and are serious. This is for you. This is not a fly-by-night company. It's been around since September 2017. Okay, the business works, pays out in Bitcoin and Tron, has not had any problems. The support is amazing. They close sales for you. So say if you're at the $1,000 level plus, they will close the sales for you. So you don't even have to speak to them. They will book a call and speak to your customers for you. See, I'm even sneezing. So if you want to really have a business that is better than the rest, truly, it's better than, I'll tell you what it's better than. It's better than Easy One Up, okay? This is light years ahead of Easy One Up, okay? It's better than Infinity Processing System. It's light years ahead of them, okay? This is an instant automated Bitcoin generating machine. It's better than Legendary Marketer and all of that stuff. This is a Bitcoin based business. You are going to get paid in crypto instantly and directly to your wallets without having any issues of being shut down, any issues from the SEC, any issues from anyone, because this is going directly and instantly to you. Okay, many people need to understand that if you have real products with a real system that works, paying you in Bitcoin, you're going to be able to stack up just like we are. Okay, be able to buy, to stake your crypto, buy different cryptocurrencies, stake and earn. You see, that's what I'm doing here. Okay, staking and earning. I'm earning here with Lido, with my Nano Ledger. I am earning Cardano. I'm earning Cake. Okay, you really need to really focus and look at what you're doing. I have my Rolodex as well, which showcases exactly the things that I'm doing and all of the tools that I use. Everything is here. Everything that I use is here. So I'm not just putting down here what I don't do. Okay, everything is here. So if you come onto my Rolodex, you'll be able to get my Crypto for Beginners training. If you don't know nothing about any crypto, like I said, you can get my Bitcoin business here. If you click on that button, it will take you to this page. Okay, you just put your name, your email, and click on please show me more, and it will literally take you through and watch the videos and everything. You'll be able to then watch this video, this 12-minute 50 video, and get in where you fit in. I suggest you get in at the $500 level. Most people who message me are professionals that are looking for a way to make money online. Maybe they've heard about crypto before and they've seen about how to earn yield, and they've seen about crypto, being able to earn money with crypto, and they're interested. If you're that person, I suggest you get started with the $500 level, okay, pro, because you're going to be able to make over $200 per sale here at that level, and you're going to be able to earn on the other levels as well, and also you can earn 3 levels deep. There's also much more to learn about the bonuses here, so there's a lot more going on here. This is a very powerful comp plan. I'm not going to go into all of this because the videos will show you and explain to you everything. We've got loads of stuff here you can actually check. Videos that talk about the coaching, that talk about the step-by-step compensation plan. We've got the PDFs where you can learn about it if you just want to read and you don't want to watch videos. We've got this, explain to you the referral and the bonuses. Everything's explained. There's really no excuses. There's videos, there's everything for you to learn here on this page. Everything. It's the most powerful peer-to-peer automated system for Bitcoin that I've seen. It's better than everything else out there. There's nothing else like it, and it earns me Bitcoin, so I'm able to go and buy cryptos like Cardano and earn from it, Cake and earn from it, Ethereum, and stake it and earn from it. Also able to put money into things like Celsius network as well and earn from it. Okay, I'm earning passive income because I am making money and putting it to work for me. So make money like me and join this automated system. Okay, get in at the $500 level, just like I am. I'm at that level and higher, and get yourself plugged in. Okay, here is the link. It's on my 7-figure blueprint. I'm also going to put the link directly to it as well, which will take you to this page here. Okay, anyways, people, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. If you're somebody that wants to make Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, you're in the right place. Don't sit on the fence like many people are. Get yourself a business so you can build it and start to invest and make yield off of your investments. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.